Lakteche mawuok e kaunti ma Kakamega ochungo ng'anyo magi bang' chuoko gi ogirimiti madok e tij sirkand kauntino. Koloso gi jofwambo, jatend jochiw thieth e kauntino Dr. Livingstone Imbai oyango ni gichungo ng'anyo ma kamano tok chopo e winjruok gi sirkand kaunti ma Kakamega. Jalup jagoro mar riwruok mar KMPDU Dr. Dennis Miskela bende noyango ni sirkand kaunti ma Kakamega osetieko achiedh nade mane laktache go kadhe kendo gibiro dok e tich e bwo seche 48.
We have come together to solidify what we were demanding, to make sure that it has been considered and it has been put down to paper as a return to work agreement, that we are going actually to deposit also in court, because this will be a reference document, that is a legal document that we shall also monitor very vigilantly to make sure that it has been executed, because we went on strike because of true problems, because of serious concerns. And it is that return to work formula agreement that will actually ensure that those issues are settled and the doctors are ready as they are going back to work. They are comfortable and motivated to continue serving the residents of